It was just sitting there forgotten, but I could see its potential. My father always believed in the beauty of restoration. Every scratch and dent tells a story, just like my own. Sourcing parts is like finding pieces of myself. Sometimes they are hard to come by. I remember the lessons my father taught me. It's more than just fixing a bike, it's about preserving memories. This is it, the moment I've been waiting for. Finally, I can feel the roar of my father's legacy beneath me.